Look, this mom kept hearing incredibly strange sounds coming straight from her dryer vent until she finally realized something was seriously wrong. So, she pulled the entire pipe outside and frantically called her neighbor for help to figure out exactly what was hiding inside. But it wasn't easy. Whatever was in there just kept holding on tight, almost like it completely knew how to stay hidden. They tried absolutely everything, and it still completely refused to come out. That is, until she finally figured out one genius move that gave it absolutely no way to escape. And when it finally popped out, it was something nobody could have ever expected. I'll show you. But first, be honest. If money matters more to you than your mom, feel free to keep scrolling. But if your mom means absolutely everything to you, take a second to smash that like and subscribe button right now. And if you truly love her with all your heart, drop a heart emoji in the comments and share this video to remind her how much she means to you. Now, watch carefully.